This video is a review of the class norms for English with Miss Hightower. You should have this form. You can download it from the modules in the course homepage. For each topic the teacher reviews, record a key term to prove that you listened to that section and you understand how the class operates. These are the course procedures. Starting class. Ms. Hightower stands at the door to greet students. Your job is to start the class. Do not wait for the teacher to start the class. Read the board. See what lesson it is or assignment activity you are supposed to start and begin immediately. Yes, it's okay to say hello to your friends. However, when the teacher enters the room, paper should be on your desk. You should have already started the assignment. So if it says read, you should be reading. If it says write, you should be writing. If you have a question, the teacher will circulate to your desk. When she enters the room, you should already be started and wait to ask the teacher when she comes to your desk. Avoid asking the teacher questions at the door, any type of personal conversations. Ms. Hightower wants to greet each student as they enter. Number 2, ending class. Keep in mind, you may pause this video at any time to record your notes. Ending class. Ms. Hightower ends the class by giving the students a heads up that they are within 2 to 3 minutes of the bell. Avoid packing until the teacher gives you directions to do so. The teacher also will require you to remain in a seat. Number 3, using the restroom. The restroom privileges are allowed as long as it's not the first 10 minutes of class, the last 10 minutes of class. Ask the teacher for a pass. If the teacher is in the middle of instruction, avoid raising your hand, asking in front of everyone if you may go to the restroom. If you need to go to the restroom while the teacher is in the middle of instruction, slide a pass to her. Just approach her while she's talking, hand her a pass already written out, filled out, and she will sign it so that you can go. You don't have to wait for the teacher to finish her lesson if it is an emergency for you to go to the restroom, but a pass is required. Supplies. Bring your own. Please avoid borrowing from your peers. Bring your own supplies. Cell phone. The teacher will allow students to use the cell phone as an instructional device. However, you should avoid using it for personal reasons. Remove your earbuds when you come into class, your AirPods, and make sure your phone is not visible unless the teacher says otherwise. Eating and drinking in class eating is permitted as long as the floor is clean when you leave. All drinks must have a cap. Number 7, asking for help. As the teacher circulates, ask for more clarification. If you don't feel comfortable doing so in that environment, you may speak with the teacher in email. Number 8, tardies. Ms. Hightower marks tardies. You must be in your seat, not in your class, not in the class. You must be in your seat or you will be marked tardy. Number 9, classwork. You must download Genius Scan app or Microsoft Lens so that you can scan your work and upload it into Canvas. Classwork is independent unless the teacher says otherwise, so you may be allowed to collaborate with your peers. However, you must do your own work. Number 10, returning from an absence. Check the home page and click on the date you were absent to find the assignment or the video from the teacher that clarifies the assignment. The student is responsible to check work from an absence. Do not ask the teacher, what did we do yesterday? Check Canvas first. Number 11. And by the way, you have 3 days from an absence, according to the district, to submit your work. Number 11, class discussions. Participate. They are graded. Number 12, paper headings. Paper headings are as follows. In the upper left corner of your paper, include on the first line your first and last name. Second line, Ms. Hightower's name, dash, class period. Third line, English 3 or English 1, whichever class you're in. And the fourth line, date. On the title line of the paper, you must capitalize the title of the assignment. So the proper heading includes 5 parts. First and last name, Hightower, dash, class period, English 3 or 1, whichever class you're in, date, and title of assignment centered and capitalized. All papers must have a heading or the teacher will return it to you. 13, school drills. From this classroom, 9:45, if there is a fire drill, we exit right and go all the way to the front of the school. If there is a lockdown drill, we will move to the far corner across from the teacher's desk. In the dark, we will cower, remain quiet. There should be no noise. If the teacher hears noise, when the drill is over, she will ask the entire class to go outside. She will ask the offenders, since it was dark and she doesn't know who was talking, and talking during a lockdown drill is forbidden, she will ask the entire class to go outside, and she will say, if you are responsible for making the noise during the lockdown drill, remain outside. Everyone else, enter the room. At that time, the students who remain outside will receive a discipline referral, which is a serious offense for creating distractions during a lockdown drill. Number 14, integrity. Integrity is defined as who you are when no one is looking. So if you are using your cell phone as an instructional device and the teacher says, yes, you can look for a picture on Google or you can research this topic, and you receive a Snapchat notification or a TikTok notification, integrity is ignoring that notification to continue to use your phone as an instructional tool. If the teacher says you all should not use your phone for personal reasons and she has to step outside, you are not grabbing your phone, looking at it for personal reasons. 15, sleeping. Students are not allowed to put their head down because you may be in a medical emergency. The teacher doesn't know if you're taking a nap or if you're in a diabetic coma. So sleeping is forbidden in room 945. 16, success code. Number 1, arrive on time. 2, bring your required materials to class. 3, speak with permission only. 4, remain on task at all times. 5, keep your hands, feet, and unpleasant words to yourself. Thank you.